Hey everyone, the Edifier Hecate GX05 wireless earbuds are now standing choice for those seeking premium audio quality in a sleek futuristic package. Developed with both gamers and music lovers in mind, these earbuds stand out thanks to their hybrid environmental noise cancellation, ultra-low latency, and impressive audio performance. The first thing that grabs attention is the cyberpunk-inspired appearance of the Edifier Hecate GX05. The earbuds come with a unique flying wing door appearance that sets them apart visually. The matte finish not only looks stylish but is also practical, being resistant to fingerprints and dust. This combination of aesthetics and functionality makes them a standout accessory for those who appreciate appearance and durability. One of the key features of the GX05 is its hybrid environmental noise cancellation system, which employs dual microphones to detect and reduce both internal and external noise. With up to 38 decibels of noise suppression, these earbuds are perfect for focusing on your gamer music, even in noisy environments. Whether you're in a bustling cafe or on a busy street, the noise cancellation does an excellent job of isolating you from external distractions, making them a versatile choice for any situation. The sound quality is where the Edifier Hecate GX05 really shines. Equipped with LHDC 5.0 HD decoding, these earbuds deliver high-definition audio. This results in crisp, detailed sound that brings out the best in music and gaming. The high-res wireless certification further underscores the earbuds' commitment to providing a superior listening experience. Whether you're a bass enthusiast or crave clarity in your highs, the GX05 delivers a well-balanced and immersive sound experience. For gamers, the GX05 excels with its incredibly low latency. Thanks to its 2.4G technology, the earbuds offer latency as low as 15 milliseconds, ensuring seamless audio synchronization with in-game actions. This real-time responsiveness gives gamers a competitive edge, making them ideal for fast-paced gaming where every millisecond counts. The dual-mode connectivity is another convenient feature, allowing users to connect via Bluetooth or 2.4G, and even to two devices simultaneously. The GX05 also caters to those who prefer quick setup times with its plug-and-play functionality. Using USB-C adapter and USB converter, the earbuds can connect directly to gaming devices without relying on Bluetooth. This ensures a stable, uninterrupted connection, perfect for gamers who demand reliability. The Edifier Hecate GX05 comes with a decent battery life. You can expect up to 4.5 hours of use in Bluetooth mode, and 4 hours in 2.4G mode. The charging case extends the total battery life to around 16 hours, and with 2C quick charging support, you can get back to using them swiftly after they run out of juice. This ensures minimal downtime, particularly beneficial for those long gaming or music sessions. To top it off, the GX05 includes RGB lighting effects, adding a touch of visual flair to the gaming experience. These effects sync with your game, making the overall experience more immersive and enjoyable by combining sound and light. The Edifier Hecate GX05 wireless earbuds offer an excellent mix of style, performance, and convenience. Whether you're gaming, listening to music, or taking calls, these earbuds provide a well-rounded experience. With features like high-resolution audio, low latency, hybrid noise cancellation, and a sleek appearance, they deliver on every front. For those seeking earbuds that offer both premium sound quality and cutting-edge features, the GX05 is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. What do you think of the new earbuds? I would like to hear your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.